guys, so today I'm excited to show you how I made this really pretty light hanging with roses. They're fake roses, but it turned out so good and I'm so excited to show you guys. And as always, guys, welcome back to my channel, Mallory Jane Creates. I am Mallory. If you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little tiny bell right beside it. That way you will be notified every time I upload a video. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I really do. Thank you so much for watching. And let's get on to the video. And some things you're gonna need are some pearls and some feathers. And then I got some flowers and pearls, and some of which I didn't even end up using. But of course, the most important part, a wreath maker. And then some spray paint. I got some spray paint and a gloss to cover after. And a roll of yarn, whatever you want to use will work perfectly fine. And then of course you're going to need some scissors and a glue gun. And don't forget some hooks to hang your project up with after you're done. And here I'm just getting ready to use the white spray paint, as you can see. And I'm just doing this 2 times. And then on the flowers, I only did them each once. As you can see, I'm only getting them like a little bit. I wanted it to just give it a little bit softer feel than it being pure green. I think it looks really pretty with the white on there. And here I'm getting ready to use the clear gloss. I only hit the flowers 1 time, and then the vase maker I did twice, but I didn't get the flowers perfect because I just wanted to get them good enough that way they weren't sticky when I did the initial project. Hi guys, so we're gonna start with our wreath maker, or the wreath thing. Anyways, so it goes up, and then there's also on the opposite side where it kind of folds in. The part where it folds in, you're gonna want that to be facing down because we're gonna put our flowers in this way. So we're gonna start, you're gonna start with your string, whatever string you picked, and however long you want it is how high you want it to hang from the ceiling. So I don't want it hanging too high. So I'm gonna, let's see. I think I'm gonna cut it there. I don't want it to be hanging too far down. And then I'm just gonna tie it on one side. So I'm gonna go in through this way. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just gonna make 2 tight knots so it doesn't come apart. And I don't think we're gonna have to worry about that. And try to make it so it's coming from the opposite side because you don't want it to lay lopsided, obviously, or hang lopsided. But it's not going to be too heavy, so you're not going to need it, depending on what you put on it. Anyways, mine's not going to be that heavy. So I knotted it, you can knot it 2 or 3 times. So this is where the farther I want mine to be hanging. And I did it so you can like move these over just to kind of balance it. And there we go, perfect. Okay, so the next step is the flowers. And also I ended up putting another thing of string on the opposite side just because I was a little worried it wasn't going to hang correctly. Anyways, that's totally up to you and how much you're putting on it. Next, we're gonna move on to the flowers. And I pushed all the green leaves up to the very top. I already did one because I wasn't sure exactly how I was gonna do it. So all I did was I put it through, so there's 3 parts on here and I'm putting it through the middle. I hope that makes sense. And then remember, you're not going to see the top because this is going to be hanging from the top. You're going to be seeing what's underneath. So I just put those through the middle just like that. And now I'm going to twist this part, the stem. It's a little complicated. You could cut like each individual flower off, I feel like, and that would also be fine. Let's see how I did this. You could cut each individual flower off if you wanted. Okay, so let me show you. So I put it through the middle and then I wrapped it. I went around the back part of this. So we went around the back part and then I put it through, this part, the front part, what our front part would be. And now I'm gonna wrap it back. Okay, now I'm gonna wrap it back. Let's go this way. Sorry, this is confusing, guys. Now I'm gonna wrap it back this way and just place it up and around and up front. I hope that makes sense. This is very complicated. And then, let's see. And then I just started kind of like bending them because I don't know if you can see this, how they bend, but you can pretty much bend each flower how you want it to be. And let's see. Yeah, so I'm just bending them to try to like get the look that I want. And then I'm going to come back and like fill in all the spaces. But anyways, keep doing that the whole way around until you get this full. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 more spaces to do, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how far we are right now. So pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. Anyways, once I got, I think it was 4 of these bushels of flowers on here, I started cutting them individually because it was just a lot easier, let me tell you, because it was just like too many stems on here. Anyways, to cut these is seriously like so simple. Just take your scissors and put it in half and keep bending it, and it breaks right off. And then you just want to stick that like right here. I have a little hole that I got to fill in, so just stick it through whichever one. And the thing to this is legit, you just keep bending. That's it, you just keep bending. The cool thing about this is you can do this in so many different colors, like in almost any room. If you want to do it for your daughter's room, you can do it in so many different colors. That's why I like this. Anyways, it's looking really good so far, so it's gonna hang that way. And I kind of like the top of it. You can see the back where the stems, it kind of just gives it some detail. And yeah, it's looking really good. So I say let's move on to the next. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this. So I moved on to putting the pearls on and hanging them, and they look so good. I didn't do it in any like pattern or like measure them. I'm kind of just like hanging them however. I have pearls left over from another project, so I'm kind of just hanging it like wherever. Anyways, all I did was I took my glue gun and I put it, I was about to set that on my fingers. Not a good idea. Put it on one end, and then we're gonna glue it to, I just glued it to whatever petals and just like took the, you can't see this, like petal and kind of like try to push it down. Okay, glue is everywhere. This is really hard to do on a camera, and I have nobody to hold it for me, so I'm sorry guys. Okay, took that, and then I went over it on the petal. I think that's self-explanatory, and just glued it down for like, so it's more secure. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm gonna put it right there. You guys can't see, I'm so sorry. But see, I feel like it's self-explanatory though. I'm just gluing it down, then I'm gonna put a little bit of glue right over that just for extra security. And it's looking really, really good so far. I'm really happy because I'm kind of just going with this. Like, I didn't really have a plan, so it's turning out good so far. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm just going with this, and seriously guys, what is more prettier than some white roses and pearls than to add some feathers? I didn't even think about doing that, but look how gorgeous that looks. Now my feathers are really long, so if you have shorter ones, like half the size of this, you could literally just put some hot glue there and just shove it up and stick it onto the, keep losing my train of thought, onto the petals, and it'll just stick. But me, I had to take it up and wrap it, so I'm kind of just like, I'm doing it on the outside is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm just gonna push it up there. I want these to be about the same length, so I'm just pushing it up, and then I'm bending it so it will stay, and just kind of like shoving it in the stems, because that just seems the best way to do it. And then I'm just adding like a little bit of glue. I think it would just stay like seriously like on its own, but you know, just in case. And because they're long, look how pretty that will look up top, while you can kind of like see the feathers like on the top hanging as well as you can see on below. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep doing that same thing the whole way around until I have as many as I want. I'm not gonna really cover it because I don't want to take away from the pearls and the flowers, but I was like, oh my gosh, it's such a good idea and it looks really pretty. I cannot wait to hang this guy. Okay, I got all the feathers on that I wanted. You could add more if you want to. This is all up to you. This is totally your thing. I feel like people could do just whatever you wanted. Look how pretty that is though. And then wait till I put the white Christmas lights on it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to hang this. It's gonna be so pretty. But yeah, I just wanna say there's so many things you could do with this. You could hang gems off of them. You could hang beads. Like I said, you can do like different color flowers. plants. I feel like you could do almost like anything with this, like fabric. I was thinking about taking the same fabric that I used on my lamp in my lamp video, if you want to go check that out. I was thinking about taking that and hanging some from this, but I feel like this is enough and I don't want to add any more to it because I'm going to ruin it. But yeah, you could totally just like go crazy with these and like add so much stuff. Anyways, I'm going to stop like talking and just yappering, and let's go hang this and see what it looks like with the lights. Look at my sweet Chevys. So all I needed to end up doing was putting the screw inside the hook. I just twisted it on the inside, and then you can see I placed it in the ceiling, and then I just continue to twist up. When you first start, you want to definitely like hold this steady because you don't want to end up making a big hole, and I feel like if you don't hold it steady, that could happen really easily. So yeah, just make sure you hold it steady and you just keep twisting and twisting and twisting until it's up in the ceiling. It turned out really good, guys. Look how pretty that looks. I love it. I might get rid of those lights though, and put string lights up and then just fix the back hole where I put the other one in the ceiling. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. There's my bubsies. Yeah, I'm totally standing on this. It goes back in the corner, but since I'm not done painting it, there's still plastic there. Hi, honeys. But anyways, guys, it turned out really good and I'm really happy with it. But I am thinking of getting string lights or maybe just the Edison light bulbs and putting it like down through, just because I'm not sure I like these lights like hanging there. But I think that would be really pretty in like a baby's room or for a wedding or something. It'd be really nice. I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you did that. And real life, I gotta finish painting this wall because now you guys can like see why I stayed up and I did this the wall to take pictures, because seriously, look how bad that is. Yeah, I'll be finishing that tomorrow. Anyways, it turned out really good. And this is what it looks like lit up. Guys, I didn't put much thought into this because I'm not keeping it this way. But I recommend you actually take it and lay it around the top. I kind of just, as you can see, just set it like right on top. But yeah, you could put more time into this. I'm not keeping them in there. That's why I just did it really quick. And I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And it looks so pretty. It is really pretty. Huh? You think it's pretty? Oh, I just love it. I love how it turned out. It's so pretty and soft looking, and it looks so good with the curtains. Anyways, guys, I am really bad at like outros and intros, and I just feel like I'm terrible. But if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And until next time, I love you guys, and I meant to do that. And I love you guys, and I seriously hope you guys have an amazing week. It is Monday. I don't know if you'll be watching this on a Monday, but if you're not, whatever day it is, I hope you have a fantastic day. And I love you guys, and thank you for watching.